Hello, what's up, guys? Today we are diving into something pretty cool: how artificial intelligence is shaking up education. I found this article called A Comprehensive Review on the Integration of Artificial Intelligence in the Field of Education, and let me tell you, it got me thinking. So let's break it down together. You know how AI is everywhere these days. From our phones to smart assistants to those sneaky recommendations in Netflix. Well, it's also creeping into education, but in a good way. The article talks about how AI is personalizing learning. Imagine having a tutor who actually knows what you struggle with and helps you at your pace. Sounds pretty great, right? But here's the catch. While AI is making learning more accessible and efficient, it is not all rainbows and sunshine. There are real concerns like privacy issues and whether teachers are getting enough support to use these tools properly. I mean, AI can't just swoop in and magically fix education. Teachers still need to be in control, guiding the process. What I love about this article is that it doesn't just hype up AI, it also talks about the challenges, like how do we make sure students' data stay safe? Or how do we train teachers to use AI effectively without it feeling like another thing they have to deal with? But overall, the big takeaway: AI is not here to replace teachers. It is here to support them and make learning better for students. And I think that's pretty exciting. So, what do you think? Are AI powered tutors the future, or are we just setting ourselves up for a sci fi disaster? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's chat. Oh, and if you want to check out the full article, the links is in the description. All right, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this little AI deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.